As the holidays approach, students and staff will begin to take part in a multitude of traditions taking place within the halls of DGS. Student Activities Director Jennifer Martinez went into detail about several of DGS's traditions. Apart from well-known traditions such as ugly sweaters, Martinez also talked about one particularly thoughtful event, the Giving Tree.
Key Club does an annual holiday giving tree, and that's amazing because students and staff in the building can adopt a child, and then they're supposed to purchase gifts for this child, like they have their wish list, and then we wrap them and send them on.
One tradition that reaches all corners of life in DGS is the annual holiday concert. Fine Arts Department Chair Glenn Williams spoke to the tradition of the holiday concert in D99.
This is a tradition that's in its 90th year. It started at North, and then when South opened in '64, one of the things that the school community decided to continue was the notion of this concert this time of year.
One common thread shared amongst Martinez and Williams was the importance of tradition at DGS.
There's certain things, I think, in a school community that connect longitudinally over time, and certain things that can be unifying elements.
Reporting from Downers Grove, this is Kate Riley with the Blueprint News Network.